Hello, everybody. It's 4th of July and fireworks. Yeah, fireworks are gonna happen. And let's enjoy them. Start.
Go.
Go. Oh, that's cool. This is really cool. That was cool.
That was cool. Are you gonna go get another one?
Hmm?
Are you gonna go get another one? You're gonna stop the recording?
No. This one looks cool.
Should your blanket move up to the front?
No, I can zoom in.
Okay. Whatever you want. Tell me when you want me to light this, okay?
Okay. This next one looks pretty cool. Okay, wait, wait. Okay. Oh, God! That one was also really cool. Hat. Other hat. Bug spray. This next one looks pretty cool as well, I guess. What are you doing?
Being a silly man.
That sounds like Sonny dying.
Sounds like a squeaky chair.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Okay, next. Okay, go. Yeah. What the? Oh. That was really cool. Where am I? Okay, there. Glittering fountain. This one looks sparkly. Or, yeah. America.
Nope, don't not throw it.
Okay.
You can throw it.
Oh, okay, ready? Oh, God.
that
How many
one.
more, buddy? Like 5?
No, more than that.
Red hot. This one looks crazy. Yeah, this one looks crazy. Red hot. Oh, but let me zoom out. Good job. I don't know if that was on camera, but yeah, he caught it. Go! Oh God! Lots of different colors. That was pretty cool. Okay, next one. My God, this is so close. Trojan Warrior. This one looks cool as well.
This does look cool, man.
There's a lot of like in the background too. Oh God, it's like thunder. Please. Go. Okay, now you guys can see it. Sorry about that. I can't control that. It's like green and red. Or orange. Yellow. Mostly green though. Or orange. Oh. That was pretty cool.
We haven't even seen the big ones yet, but I'll rate this pack not bad.
No, I would say it's worth the money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been good. Like, I'm happy with every one we had, except for the second one. The first one was so tiny and it was so good. Then the second one was bigger, and then it just kind of sucked. But then after that, everything seemed fine.
Yeah.
Overboard. This one looks kind of crazy.
How many are left? Is it just 3?
There's 3.
3 more
That
left.
one.
Guys, this is so cool. Ricky. Was it good? Okay. Oh God!
Oh, that's cool.
That's really cool.
This was the rectangle box one.
Yeah. Even a fine.
I like that one. Whoa. That was cool.
That was amazing. That was the best one so far. Silver snow fountain. Sorry.
Ooh, on the throw.
I'm holding a phone. My God.
It's just a joke.
This one looks amazing. Ricky. It looks like snow.
Was this the snow one?
Yeah. It looks like snowy fire.
It's like he miser and snow miser.
Yeah.
Fight.
Yeah. Okay, this is a big one. What's it called? Stunner. My God. Big boy. It's the big boys.
Alright, fine. Do you want to do either of these?
No.
You sure?
I'll do the last one.
Alright. Yeah, I'll record you.
Yeah. Wait, I'll just hold it. I'll just hold the phone. Wait, never mind. I just want to see this. I just want go. Go. Yeah. This one just turns all different colors. Oh, yeah. That was loud.
I like that
And
one.
cool. But that was in the background. I thought that was like
Yeah. Do you want me to record you writing this one?
no.
Alright, you want to do it?
Mhm.
All you, kiddo.
The cars coming. No cars.
Oh, don't be afraid, buddy.
Right here?
Buddy, it's not that hard.
I'm not afraid.
Oh, yeah, right.
This one I'm excited for.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh crap. Right in the finale. That was really good.
It was really good.
That was amazing. I loved that.
That was really good. That was well worth the money for that little ass pack.
Wait,
Yeah, I like them too.
wait. I want to throw more like of these, like the.
I'll throw as many as you want, hon.
That worked out that way.
I like that.
Okay, wait. Can you hold this?
Absolutely. What do we do?
No.
It's really blurry, kiddo.
No. Wait. Okay.
You're zoomed in a lot, mofo.
Is it good on me?
Yeah, your face is. Do you care about your face?
Yes, I already showed my face on YouTube.
Yeah. You're just only popping poppers too. It's not like you're doing anything crazy.
Yeah.
Joe, you know you're missing big fireworks around the neighborhood, right? I'm gonna shut this off. Do you want to keep
No,
going?
don't shut it off.
I'm not shutting it off. It's fine. It's
Don't
on.
shut it off.
I didn't touch anything. It's on. Sorry, dude. I thought you would want to see the fireworks around there, but.
Good.
Where'd it go?
This is good. If I poured just the rest of the bag.
Hold on. Hold that. Can I see one?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I used to do when I was a kid? You do not do this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Oh, I didn't get that. We can't do it one more time.
Yeah.
I didn't get it on camera.
We're gonna walk by Mama. I want to see Mama's reaction too. Okay. I can't get one. Can you get one?
Yeah.
Joey needs reaction shots.
Yep.
So this is the first idea. Ready? Ow. Got it?
Yeah.
That's cool, right?
I have two. My hands are full, so I can't really.
Take Ricky out, clean that up.
Huh?
Take Ricky out, clean that up.
But I want to do the rest of these.
Huh?
I want to do the rest of these.
Well, he wants to do the rest of them. That's what I'm saying. It's early. Like, not early, but you know, like, he's still going. He's still going shit.
Okay, now let's go. Wait. Wait, I think the car ran that dud over and it popped.
Yo, there's big fireworks. Look at that. Look at that. How big that is, dude. That's a big guy.
Like different, it's changing the colors of the smoke. But I'm gonna dump them all out at
You
once.
want to try? You want to try what I did?
No.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah. I want to get a better like angle. When? It can't.
Thanos. The real Thanos.
Wait, hold this out. I'm just gonna pull them all out.
I think that's it, Ken.
Done. Okay.
Mama's getting the garbage bag. She's gonna clean up. So give it to her.
Happy?
Yeah, this was a great 4th of July. Where are they going?
Go walk them out.
Huh?
Go walk them and see where he's going. Sorry, I got the garbage. Go.
Where are you guys going?
Go to this corner and back. Just to this corner and back.
Okay.
I'm just giving Ricky a little time to run around. You know, he likes to explore. He's an exploring guy. It smells like a horse poop up there.
Huh?
It smells like cow poop up there. Like we're at a farm.
Kind of. I'm giving Ricky screen time.
Good. He deserves it. He deserves it. Boy, now we're gonna go back. Ready? Now we're going back.
Oh, those were some cool fireworks over there.
Yeah. Well, Ricky.
Giving Ricky some screen time. This is probably my longest video.
Yeah.
18 minutes long.
Oh,
19.
it's still going.
Yeah.
Hey, you're in a run.
I'm not gonna run out of room. Well, I mean, videos, like YouTube videos are meant to be long. It's kind of dark. Can't really see Ricky. We can see him a bit.
Is that Mama?
Yeah.
Where'd that come from? What's on fire?
It's one of the fireworks, so it's inside the one firework.
Oh, then don't put it in the garbage yet.
I'm not.
Wait, move,
Yeah.
move, so it, no.
No, Mama's fine. Leave it on the lawn for now.
Wait,
If
move,
it burns the lawn, who gives a shit? It's alright. Sorry, Joey's viewers.
It's right there. I don't want to put it on the grass. It's so small.
Oh, no, fuck that.
Wait. Die.
Yeah, don't do it.
Yeah, I don't want to use it because what if it starts a
Because
fire?
if there is any kind of like firework powder.
I think I got it.
Dead. Well, you guys littered. Ooh. I probably should. Helicopter.
Hey,
Huh?
it's probably a cool helicopter ride, eh? And all the fireworks going on.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that
Maybe.
looks pretty cool.
You, baby. Mermaid colors. Once we get back to the sunset. Oh, that's Hey, you want to put the screen down? You don't gotta even do it perfect. I'll fix it up if you just want to get it down.
Mr. Mosquito, get out of here. Mr. Mosquito.
You want to stay here on the ground?
No. That's some pretty cool.
This is the best place to go around. You could
I'm
get
just
some
gonna clean things up.
Oh yeah.
Cause, yeah.
Buddy, you're in charge. You want to stay out here? It's not.
Okay.
Tell you right here.
Okay. So that was a great 4th of July. There's a lot of fireworks, and this is 21 minutes long. Probably my longest video. Probably definitely. Get that camera out of my face. Okay.
Hold on one second.
What?
Ricky was all.
Oh God, that looks scary. Well, I'm gonna go through here. Okay, la 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 la. Yeah, no, nothing's going on here. Yeah, nothing. I just have SML on, but thank you guys for watching. That was a great 4th of July. I don't know how it could get any better. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. Underwear. Bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oop, grab. Bye.